Hi, I'm Lauren with Ohio Power Tool, and today we're here with our buddy Dean from RIDGID. How you doing?
I'm good. Good morning.
Good morning. What do you got for us today?
Well, we've got the new K-46 Cordless SinkSnake. It's our new drain cleaner. It's our battery-powered drain cleaner. It runs off our 18-volt battery pack. It's got a brushless DC motor, so it's got plenty of power and nice long run time. New compact version. Get right up under the sink or in your bathtub, wherever you need to go to get the drain cleaned.
Is this the first battery-powered option you guys have?
In a handheld, we have a large version, but this is our first handheld battery version, yes.
So why don't you give us a little rundown of the design? So I see it has a kickstand here.
Yes, it has a 3-position kickstand so that you can get it up off the ground if you need to make it closer to the drain. Also, you can lay it flat if you want to, if that's what you need to do. But it's made so that you don't have to hold it while you're running it. You can literally stand it by itself, pull the trigger with one hand. It has the AUTOFEED assembly on the front, also a lock, so that once you get to the clog, you can work the clog either by hand or with the machine itself. Either one, it's up to you. One of a kind thing is our AUTOFEED assembly on the front actually rotates 360 degrees. So if you put it up in a vanity somewhere and it hits a pipe with the trigger for the AUTOFEED, you can simply rotate it out of the way until it gets to where you need it to be. It has forward and reverse cable rotation and forward and reverse retrieval and feed. So it's the only one that will do that as well. So you can retrieve and feed it going in both directions, yes. It has 3 different cable lengths or sizes that you can get. You can get 1/4 inch, you can get 5/16, and you can get 3/8. The 1/4 and the 5/16 have a permanent bulb attached to them, but if you put in the 3/8 cable, then you can put different tools on it. You can put a spade or a C-cutter, which allows you to go from 3/4 inch all the way to 3-inch drains, clean them efficiently.
Nice. And how long are those cables?
You can go from 25 foot to 50 foot with a 1/4 inch. Is your longest, and then 25 and 35 for the 5/16 and the 3/8. For this application, for your sink drains, your shower drains, bathtubs, it's more than long enough to get anywhere you're going to need for that kind of stuff.
And I see the drum is fully enclosed here.
Yep, so you don't get any mess when you're retrieving it and it's been down the drain. It keeps everything nice and clean for you. It also is easily removed and replaced if necessary. 4 screws, you can take it apart, have a spare drum and feed a spare drum in it if you want to change cable sizes.
Great. And then it's got some lights here at the top.
It got an LED on the front.
Any new features for this compared to other models you guys have?
Well, the kickstand being on there is different. Nobody else has got a kickstand that holds it like that, especially with the 3 positions that it can do, so to give you the angle that you need so that you can feed into your drains. The rotating front assembly is something that's unique to ours as well.
Honestly, it's pretty compact. Do you know how much it weighs?
It weighs 15 pounds, and it's also the smallest as far as area goes of any in the market as well.
Okay. And that 15, is that with the battery?
Yes.
Awesome. Can we expect to see this at the Wet Show this year?
I'm absolutely sure it'll be at the Wet Show, yes.
Awesome. Well, we will be excited to see it there live in action as well. So when are we expecting to be able to order this?
You can order it now.
All right. From Ohio Power Tool, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Well, awesome. Thank you, Dean, for coming in and showing us the new K-46, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for having me.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.